Welcome to our Fergus Go overview. In this video, I'll provide a quick look at the app's features and how to navigate them. Before we dive in, please note that I'll be demonstrating all features as a full user with permissions enabled. Depending on your user type and permissions, you may see fewer features. Let's start on the home screen. At the top, you'll notice 3 buttons: Scheduled, Assigned, and Unassigned. The Scheduled button shows all jobs scheduled to your calendar. The Assigned button displays jobs assigned to you that aren't yet in your calendar. The Unassigned button lists jobs without any assigned person. Now, let's click into a job. You'll land on the job card where any information you add will be saved specifically for this job. At the top, you'll see the job number, title, and description. Below that, you can start a time entry by clicking the timer button and pressing stop when you're finished. Next, we have job details, including site and contact information. Now, let's explore some of our most used tools. Forms allows you to complete any assigned forms directly in the app. Similarly, Certificates allows you to fill out certificates on the go. Head to Stock Used to add any materials used on site. Hazards allows you to record any hazards encountered, upload photos, and access relevant swims. Use the Photos and Videos buttons to view uploaded media and to upload your own. Files allows you to view files uploaded to Fergus Web whilst you're in the app. The Notes section is for taking notes and replying to them. You can also tag colleagues in your notes to notify them. Checklists are similar to forms. Use this section to complete assigned checklists while on the job. And finally, Invoicing. Here, we can generate quick invoices on the go with costs added to the job automatically populating the draft invoice. You also have a plus button in the bottom right corner of the job to access quick features. That wraps up the job features. Now, let's highlight a few more areas of Fergus Go. The search bar is located at the bottom and can be used to quickly find jobs. The Create Job button allows you to easily create new jobs and quotes on the go. And the Timesheet button holds a summary of your time entries, and you can also add uncharged time for non-job related activities like sick leave or travel. Let's look at the Menu button. The Inquiries button is for managing inquiries on the go, as long as you have enabled this in your desktop settings first. Tasks allows you to view and tick off assigned tasks and add new ones as needed. Notifications contains all your Fergus notifications in one spot. The Notice Board is a group chat for all users in your Fergus account. You can also tag individuals in here to notify them specifically. Health and Safety allows you to access relevant safety information, including the name of your health and safety officer, a list of medical centres, the company's health and safety policy, and a section for incident reporting. And finally, we've got Settings, Contact Us, and Logout options also available here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of Fergus Go. We hope this helps you navigate the app with ease.